All right, girls. This is how we play. Oh shit, I didn't tie my bottom strap here yet. Can you hold that for me?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna take you for the walk up the hill. All the way, baby. And we're not cruising this too hard. Because we do want to get to the stream and still be able to and still be able to get back, right?
Today we're doing it with that.
Yeah,
The other day we did it with nothing.
yeah, pretty sure I have about 40 pounds strapped on my back right now. So, oh, this is going to be fun. And think about getting through this stupid gate. Oh, I hope I don't have to take it off to get through.
Barely got through the other day.
Oh, I made it. Woo! You know what? I might not make you walk the whole way with us because you're going to have to listen to my huffing and puffing all the way up the hill. I don't know if you want to do that. I guess we'll catch up with you when we get to the top. Oh yeah, by the way, today is Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm not sure. February 4th, 5th, 6th-ish. We are hiking the Woodbury Trail back to the stream just to see what's what. See if there's any water. But I think you can tell it's a pretty miserable part of the trail. So, later. Okay, so we done made it up the hill. Here we got some shade, hon. Yeah, we're kind of out of breath. But at least, thank God, we have a nice breeze today. So that's really helping. But we're up. We're going to take a couple minutes and then follow the road down to those tanks. So, do you know what time it is? 12:20. So, we're making pretty good time. About right where I expected. But right now, break time. Later. So, Teresa said she thought those tanks are probably not as close as they looked. And I said, trust me, they're as close as they look.
I didn't know if Ronnie had been here before either.
Yeah, I've been here lots of times. It's about, I would say at least the 5th or 6th time I've been down here. I like it down here. It's really pretty.
It is pretty.
Oh, so I'm hoping you can see that mountain. I can't see my screen at all to see what you're looking at. Let me see here. I think you're seeing right there in the middle of the screen. There's a mountain that looks kind of dug up that used to be a mine. I thought it was still a mine. So the first time I came out here, I was by myself and I hiked all the way up to it. Holy shit, I just saw there's an adit up there. Oh, dear me.
A what up there?
See that pile of gray dirt on this hill over there? That's an adit. That's somebody dug into the mountain there. I'm going to have to go check that out. I don't know if I'll get to it today, but it will happen. Anyway, here we go. Later. Look at how gorgeous this is out here, guys. Oh, yes, I 100% have got to get to that. I would like to try to do it today. Because now my brain is going mental. Okay, we're taking a little side trek here. There's a really deep natural tank here that'll hold water for animals. And I've never actually been to it. I've seen it from far. I know this wash is here. So, I'm doing it. We're almost to our destination. I don't think it took us maybe another half hour from the last stop to get this far. And we probably got 15 minutes from there. Or from where I cut out anyway. This is not a trail. This is a wash. Just in case you were thinking I was on a trail. This is actually a wash. It's a pretty dry wash. Ain't seen water for quite a while. Also called arroyo. Closer to Mexico though. Ooh. Picky ouchie bushes. Wow, somebody was laying out down here. This grass is all bashed down. I told ya. Oh. Ooh. Okay, that would require no pack. I don't think I can get down that with a pack on. That goes. I would really like to go down there and see how it looks down there. But
that's going to pull right there too.
Yeah, it'll pull all the way here and then it'll come down into the next level.
Yeah.
That's why I'd like to go further down and see what you can see, but I don't know if we can get there.
I don't think I can.
Well, I don't know about here, but I'm thinking we might be able to walk over the top of the ridge and down that fairly clear area there.
See?
Ow!
No, it's still got stickers in there.
It's not a day if there's not a little bloodletting.
I think the sticker's still in there. I thought I got it out. I used this, but I didn't have it out of the way far enough, and it came back and bit me. This one that you told me to watch out. Oh wow.
Man, the rocks out here are some interesting, colorful combinations.
I know.
Oh, fucking cool. Oh, seriously, now I really want to go down there. Wow. Yeah. I don't think I can do it with my pack. There's a huge, deep hole right there. Okay, guys, I gotta put you on hold. Okay, can't guarantee you how this is gonna look. So I got you in my hand. I'm gonna make my way down here.
Right into a riverbed. I would like to see this when it's rained.
Yeah, when it's wet?
Yeah.
I agree. 100%.
Looks like that big hole right there, like it opens up on the other side, so I don't know if it'll pull there or
That's why I want to get over there to see how that actually looks.
Yeah.
I just hate walking on that loose Scrabble shit.
That's why I'm not following you.
I don't mind the rocks, like this hard stuff down here.
Yeah.
But When you get into this loose stuff, that's when it starts to freak me out.
Oh, look at that cute little cactus right there.
Always. The most I'm going to do is skin an ass or a knee. Oh, so cool. No, it pulls here, and then it pulls here, and then it goes down again. Wow. There's actually a teeny tiny little bitty drip of water in there. But oh my God, this would be so cool. Beautiful. Oh, I would have a field day fucking playing in here if this was running. There won't be water. There won't be water. Because it's dry. I don't think we're gonna see water this year. Not in any of these side washes. For a minute, what lands here is gonna run and be gone as soon as the rain stops. Because you're already at the top of the mountain. Oh, how awesome. What a great spot. Just loving it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, turning you off till I get to the top. Too much work. Just got to the top of the hill and noticed we have the moon out here. Where are we here? Should be in here somewhere. Oh crap. I can't see anything on my screen. Nothing. It's there, I'm telling ya. I don't know why my camera keeps not staying on top. I have to figure that out again. But that is the Woodbury Trail. And that is how I got to that mine. So from here, I went all the way around and up there. Then I said, I'm not going all that way back. I'm just gonna bushwhack. Silly girl. But as you can see, we're almost to the water tanks. I don't know if there's any water in any of the tanks at this point. There's one tank down here. I mean, as many ranchers as have their cows running out here, you'd think they'd make it a priority to make sure there was water in the tanks occasionally. Unless there's water in the creek. You know, at that point I can say, yeah, well, I get why they don't. Yeah, dry as a bone. Yeah, completely dry as a bone. Over this way. Oh, man, the uphills with this pack on. Unreal. Unreal exercise. I don't think they're using any of this. So I had looked up what that meant at one time, but I can't recall. Now there's a trail along here we need to catch. I just gotta figure out where it is, because we do not want to be bushwhacking through all that thorn bush.
Stab.
Well, I don't think I'm correctly on the trail. I don't know. Could be. Could be animal. But I know where I'm going, so I'm going for the path of least resistance. Oh, lots of deers here, baby. Deer poo-poos everywhere.
Don't look like there's anything in that either.
Least resistance this way. I'll try to keep you just through the grass and not the sticks. Unfortunately, that's not always possible. Ah, look at those healthy chain fruit choyas. They are happy. Somebody's been feeding on them. Look at. Oh no, those are just old fruits. Got new baby fruits right here coming in. See them right there? See that? That's choya fruit. Cool. All right. How steep of a wall do we want to crawl down? Then let's not go that way. Let's go that way.
Let's go look and see if there's water down there.
Well, there's really sharp pokey pickies here.
Oh. No, they already bit me enough.
That's why I'm trying to stay in grass zone so that you don't have any of that shit hitting you in your legs. It's dry as a bone. Nope, there ain't a stitch of water in it. Wow, that's really sad. Well, guess it's a good thing we didn't try to get Don to walk all the way back here. Said it's a good thing we didn't get Don to try to walk all the way back here. Right? Oh, hell yeah. Man, this was so fucking beautiful when we were down here the last time. Oh, God, yeah. I had water shoes on. I was walking the creek the whole time because it was fucking easier than dealing with the brush. Look at all the black sand, Don. See all that black sand? I'm sure you can. So we're in the creek bed. Time?
1 o'clock, 5 to 1.
So it took us an hour
Yeah.
to get here. Not bad.
Nope.
And we even did a little detour.
Yeah.
So, okay. Well, we're going to wander around down here in the creek bed for a little while and snoop and poke. And catch up with you later. Okay. I hope the color of this rock comes out on the camera. Because this is the wildest green rock I have ever seen. It is not. It's got a lot of crystalline in it. Oh, Jesus. I wish I had a better common sense of geology, because I've never seen anything like this one. Of course, I say that about a billion different rocks, so who knows. Later. Okay, Teresa's doing a lift on my backpack. You got it on wrong way.
No idea. Ain't no fucking way I would carry this packing. That's why I have 2 little ones.
And that's not even fully loaded.
No.
Okay, and we're off again. We're just gonna wander down the river bed a little bit.
The dry river.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to tie my belt. You know, you have a strap on your bottle and you keep carrying it in your hand. What the hell?
I put it over my shoulder on occasion.
Like, what is she doing carrying it?
I know. I do put it over my shoulder.
Look at on the edge of that upper ledge up there. Do you see that little hole in the rock?
Yeah.
Oh, like, it's like a little thing on the end with a hole in the top of it. Awesomeness.
It's like
Okay.
the other one with the hole, but that one's not perfectly round.
No. Onward. See you later. I think we were. Yucca. Yucca. That's a yucca plant. Lord have mercy. Why is it every time I look at that plant and I know exactly what it is, but it never comes to my brain? Look at those. See the yellow fruit hanging down off that chain fruit? That's chain fruit cholla, and that's fruit that's ripening. Some of the branches are dying too, but the fruit's getting ripe. It's getting yellow. So one of these days, I swear to God, I'm going to get some and burn the fucking tines off of them and fry them up and see how they taste. Because they're supposed to taste like squash. You know them little, what the hell are they called? Patty pan squash? They look like a flying saucer. They're like this big,
Yeah.
and they're about that thick, and they're yellowish white color.
Never had them.
Oh, well, they kind of taste like patty pan.
Yeah.
You saw that too.
Yeah.
Pick that up. That is a white rock.
It's not heavy for the size of it.
No, that's just pure white quartz. Wow, that's a beautiful piece of quartz. But,
Let's take that back.
I wonder what those little things in there are.
It is not even heavy.
You're taking it?
I think so.
Your rock.
It's
I'm
not
saving for the rock, because I know there's going to be one rock that's going to have to go with me.
But that's not even heavy for the size that it is.
No. Yeah, I was doing really good with that allergy sinus crap for like 2 days there, and now it's back again. I have to go buy some drugs. Look at how nice and round that rock is.
I know.
I am such a dry waterfall junkie, it's ridiculous. Getting a little bit waterfally up here. Looks like going around the top is definitely doable. I'm going through the wash. just because I might find a gold nugget laying somewhere. A lot of sparklies in here, but I think it's mostly mica and pyrite. Almost looks like somebody's been digging out here. Maybe not. Somebody's been digging there for sure. Holy moly. Yeah, you okay?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't mind those slopes like that as long as they're solid rock. We got a rock spot in the shade here. I can throw out some mats if you want to take a break.
That sounds like a plan.
Alrighty.
Not tired. Hot.
No, just take a break. Cool off for a little bit. We actually kind of probably should look at the time anyway and see if we're
1:30.
1:30. Okay, we're still good.
I'm still good. I'm still good to go. I'm just.
Yeah, I know. I just don't.
Warm.
I don't want to get back and have them be all bummed out because we're fucking super late for dinner.
Need a blood trouble to make us dinner. Specifically because we're out all day.
Yeah, I know. She is just absolutely an amazing lady. I am so glad I met her.
Yeah.
Thank you for introducing me to your friend.
Oh. She is. I was hoping they were coming down last year, but they didn't make it, obviously. So I'm just thrilled they're here this year. Oh, we're leaking through. Yay.
Here comes your cool down.
Yes. Don't mind that at all.
Uh-oh, look what I found. Oh, no! Party balls!
What you call it? Party balls?
Party balls.
That's what we need to call it. Party balls.
Stuck. Don't know what we're stuck on. There's one.
I'm about ready to take some of that water and dump it on my feet.
And two. Feet. Go ahead. Pull your feet off. We can sit here for a while. I'm good with that.
I might before we get up and walk.
You don't have to go any further if you don't want to.
Oh no, I'm fine. I said I'm fine walking. I just getting warm.
Yeah.
And the nice breaks in the shade are great.
I agree.
And I'm making at least my 5,000 steps today, come hell or high water.
Oh, it's fucking beautiful out.
I should have by now. I made some goal.
They call this quick release mechanism. Well, my phone's so motherfucking big, there's barely anything left to squeeze. So, February 5th, that it is like 3 p.m. and that is the moonrise. Came up over the mountains down here just as we were getting on the trails. But I had my rig on so I couldn't see it. So anyway, I'm gonna snap that one later. So,
Get off of me.
2 hours, 45 minutes, and we can see our destination again. And let me tell you, it looks really delightful. However, I'm not seeing a trail that gets up to that other adit I saw. So I'm kind of hoping I find it as we're going this way. There's a little bit taller shade over here. You can actually get some shade on your legs. Somebody's getting a little bit toasty. I don't even think I got any color at all. But I also have pants on, so my legs definitely didn't get any color. But there's Minnie. So, later, unless I find a trail, I will definitely mark it because I do want to go to that attic. And if I have to bushwhack to get to it, so be it. But I think there's got to be a way. Because otherwise, how could you mine in it? So, later. Okay, I'm going to try to video in close enough for you to see this. But right there, you see them 5 little marks right there? Those are all the beginnings of new arms. Pretty cool. Never seen that before. All right, there we go. We succeeded in our quest to get to the creek. Our total footsteps, at least mine, are 8,520 something.
Mine were almost 8,000.
And it took us approximately 3 hours?
Yeah.
3 hours.
We'd left at 12 and we got back at almost 3, so almost 3 hours.
Almost 3 hours. So
my steps were...
It was a good day.
7,700, 7,675.
She's bigger than me.
Taller. Much
Okay.
taller.
Okay.
Bonnie doesn't have legs.
Shut up. Anyway, later. We're headed home. This is your outro. Bye-bye.